Here's a quick 2025 review of Robinhood, the go-to app for trading stocks and crypto, all in one place. Robinhood still offers commission-free trading, making it easy for anyone to invest in stocks, ETFs, options, and cryptocurrencies, with no hidden fees. The app's layout is simple, it's clean, and built for speed, perfect for beginners or anyone who wants to invest without the clutter. In 2025, Robinhood has improved its research tools and added more in app insights, helping users make smarter decisions. You can track performance, set price alerts, and explore market news, all without leaving the app. Crypto trading is fully integrated with real time charts and access to uh, top coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum. And with features like recurring investments and fractional shares, you can start with as little as $1. Security features like two-factor authentication and instant alerts keep your account safe, and customer support has gotten faster and more reliable. If you're looking for an easy way to manage both stocks and crypto in one place, Robinhood in 2025 is still one of the most accessible platforms out there. Download it and start investing today.